Hey everybody, my name is Jean Rowe. I'm a licensed clinical social worker and a certified journal therapist. And I've been working with the cancer support community in Atlanta for a few years, bringing journal writing workshops and drop-ins to survivors and caregivers. And coming up in April, for the first time, the cancer support community in Atlanta is letting me host a 4-week series called The Bridge, which is really focused on the before and after of cancer. This is a journal writing series that will provide prompts at each session that is sort of focused on the grief and healing that can happen to merge what life was like beforehand and that life can continue after cancer, even when people are still going through treatment. I have been working in oncology for over 20 years, and this idea that the two parts are separate is one that I think is false. You have always been who you always were, and you have always been who you are now. And the two parts deserve to be merged and remember and support one another. So the short time writing of journal prompts that I do are 5 to 7 minutes, and you don't have to have any experience. You can come and be brand new at it, and it's a confidential, sacred space where the sharing is really where the connection and the magic happens, where people are validated by what they hear, and maybe they hear something they didn't even know they needed to hear that day. So it's really beautiful to be a part of and to witness and to grow. So I hope you'll join me in April, and I look forward to seeing you. Thank you.